Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to my another brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to download and install Avast Secure Browser for Windows. So let's get started. Link in the description. Just click on it and you will see this website. And after that, if you want to go to the official website, then you can. And when you scroll down, you will see it. And the license is free. Language is English. Available languages are English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Japanese, Polish, and Chinese. Requirements: the Windows 8.1, 7, 8, 10, and XP. So just go on top, just click on this green button. When you click on it, you will see this. Sometimes it happens, so we have no problem with it. We will try another one, no problem. Click on the other version and click on download, and it is started. So just click on start download, and after a few seconds it will done. As you guys can see, it is only 3 MB. So it is done. Click open, click yes. Avast Secure Browser. Just click on accept and install. So it takes almost more than 3 minutes. So now it is saying that launching. So after installing it, it will open like this. Okay, as you guys can see, there are my bookmarks automatically came in this browser. I hope you like my video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video.